Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to clear the Facebook app cache on iPhone. Unlike Android, iPhone doesn't provide a separate button to clear the cache for most apps. Instead, you can offload or delete and reinstall Facebook. For that, you need to open iPhone settings, then tap on General and then select iPhone storage. Then scroll down and find Facebook. You will see options including Offload App and Delete App. Tap Offload App to remove the app while keeping its document and data, then reinstall Facebook. And if you want to completely remove the app and its stored data from your iPhone, then choose to delete the app and then reinstall Facebook from the App Store. So that was how to clear Facebook's app cache on iPhone. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.